Promethean Whiteboard is amazing on its own, but just wait until you begin integrating other applications. For instance, perhaps you and your students are working in an application you love, but you wish to pause and take the lesson in a new direction. At any time, tap the pink menu button, then Screen Capture. This captures the current screen and automatically adds it to a whiteboard canvas for you. With the selector tool in use, you may manipulate this image as you would with any other. Pinch and zoom to resize or rotate, and drag to move. Simply tap the pink menu button, then the back button to return to your application. Another possible usage is with mirroring or casting, enabling you to use the Promethean Whiteboard for sharing student work or peer editing. Use the same process to screen capture any content a student is casting or mirroring onto your panel. Tap the pink menu button, then Screen Capture. Finally, what about those times you would love to use the whiteboard along with a resource from your computer? Simply use the built-in HDMI application to toggle over to a connected device with one easy tap. In this example, we have a fill-in-the-blank practice on a page within an Active Inspire flip chart. Use Screen Capture to take that existing resource and use it within Promethean Whiteboard. Remember, you may save your whiteboard sessions at any time.